el W. Es un W.
So the first step is tearing down the car to get it ready for bodywork, which is what I'm doing here, taking off the door handles, belt moldings. This is the rocker molding. The paint is peeling because it wasn't pressed right. So we're gonna take it off, resand it, reprime it, and repaint it, and re-clear it to make it look new again. Here I am taking off the front bumper of the vehicle. Now I'm taking the headlight, and then the fender's gonna come off too. Here's my brother Wally pulling out the dents to get it ready for bodywork. He's using a slide hammer, which helps out taking out the dents. Here I am sanding down the bondo to get it nice and smooth. Here's Wally working on the rear side of the vehicle and getting it ready. After the bodywork is done, it gets primed, then prepped and sanded, ready for paint, just like this. I'm cleaning the car with wax and grease remover, which helps out taking off the dirt and any oil residue, so you could have a nice clean finished paint job. Same thing goes on the bumpers and the rocker molding. Here I am spraying some adhesion promoter on the rockers and some sealer on the bumpers and fender. This is a very important part, cleaning out the guns, because you don't want it to get clogged up, and you want a nice, clean, perfect paint job for the next one. This is the red base coat, the original color of the car. spraying nice and even coats so everything's nice and flows out even.
I think nuns are lesbian. If you really think about it.
Do you think they shave down there?
Probably
think
not.
so.
I don't think so. I think they're all lesbian. They don't fuck guys. So they must, like, you know, fuck each other or something. All nuns are lesbians.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Like I said before, make sure you clean your guns. Yes, I'm talking to you, Wally. This is the clear coat. This makes the car shine and look really good. Look at that beautiful finish. Looks brand new. It's giving the car a nice wash so the customer could have a clean car. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.